During his tour, President Ruto will launch various projects aimed at improving the quality of the lives of the people in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. This agenda will keep on repeating and reiterating, as the President says, prioritizes bringing down the cost of living, eradicating hunger, creating jobs, expanding the tax base, improving our foreign exchange balance, and promoting inclusive growth through interventions in 5 core sectors of agriculture, MSMEs development, housing and settlement, universal health coverage, and digital superhighway and creative economy. The development tour begins tomorrow on Saturday, 5th August 2023. The President will kick off the tour in Githurai, Kiambu County, where he'll commission the Githurai Water Supply Project. The project will supply about 35,000 cubic meters of water per day to serve over 500,000 residents of Ruiru, Githurai, Mwihoko, and Kahawa, and will provide water connections to about 8,400 people. Also on Saturday, President Ruto will commission the redevelopment of Githurai Market. Now, this comes just 3 days after the State Department of Housing and Urban Development, as you all witnessed, advertised for the construction of 72 markets across the country. In agriculture, as you are aware, President Ruto on Wednesday launched the second phase of the fertilizer subsidy program ahead of the short rain season. A bag of fertilizer now retails at a subsidized rate of 2,500, down from 7,000 shillings when the President assumed office in September last year.